ELRC. ELRC has been a blast. It started off with a biography assignment, which was a great idea, and I plan on doing the exact same thing when I become a teacher because it created a way for Miss Miss Debbie to get to know me and to get to know her students, and then for us to like tell her what we already know about ELRC, and then so then she gets like an idea of what we need to know and what she needs to like teach us, and what people are already like people already having like idea of. And then the name tent was a great thing to start with too, because people in class don't know each other's names. Like they might turn around, ask a question, ask for a pencil, and they can simply like look down, look at the person's name tag, and then there won't be any names mistaken or anything like that. And then my favorite assignment that we did this year was definitely the final presentation to me because I felt like I definitely knew how to solve a Rubik's cube, and it was like an easy project for me because it was simple for me to go up in front of the class and then show everyone how to solve a Rubik's cube because I had already like known how to do that, and then it was simple to put together a little presentation on the small steps to do it. One assignment I found very interesting was the the app assignment. The app assignment I did on the app assignment right here I did on Quizalize. It was interesting to me because it was a lot like Kahoot. A Kahoot is another app where you can quiz your students as a teacher, just like Quizalize, and then it's like a fun game where it's just like a trivia type thing, and it makes your students learn easier as they compete against their other students to get higher scores. And then app that I didn't like is this Padlet app that I'm currently using to make the final portfolio, and that is because it is kind of difficult to move around the numbers. As you can see, like one's here, two's there, and then it goes to six and 11, and then like if I were to move something around, like I think I might be able to show you here. If I were to move something around, it would change around every other number. So if I were to move like 18 somewhere else, it would move it would move 19, 15, 10, 14. It would move all the other numbers somewhere else too, like at the same time. That's the only thing I didn't like about the class. But other than that, everything in the class has been a great experience for me, and I'm definitely going to use it being a teacher one day.